Alright, this is my first baking channel and I'm gonna be showing you how to make scrambled eggs. You're gonna need eggs, some butter, and if you want some cheese. So, four eggs is about enough to make for like one batch. It is like for like two people. Right now I only have four, so I'm making some for me. So you're gonna have to like bang it on the bowl and like separate. Like actually, I'll show you. When you crack it, then you put your thumb, and then you do that. Then you do the same for the rest. It's okay if it feels a little messy. Now, when you give me a second, okay, I got my forks, and now you want to whisk up the eggs and make sure it's nice and mixed together. Okay, after you're done whisking, you're gonna want to have to break up some cheese into it, and it depends how cheesy you want your eggs to be. I like mine to be decently cheesy, but it depends on what you want. So. Then when you think you have cheese, we're gonna turn on the stove, like not too high, like about like low a little bit, and then you're gonna get a knife. So now that you have your knife, you're gonna start cutting the butter. It's okay if some of the butter isn't perfect, so you should still put it in. That should be good. So I'm gonna start pouring in the eggs, and make sure you have a spatula so you can mix it around. It may take a while, but I want to show you the process. I'm gonna be quick just so it doesn't stick to the sides. That's just my mom moving the salt and everything. See, it's forming hang up, but it's not quite ready yet. Unless you want your scrambled eggs to be yolky, but this is like super yolky, so. When you think you're done scrambling, you would probably want to put it into a pile just so it's easier to scoop into your plate or bowl or whatever you're using to eat it. Okay. And what I like to do, I'm gonna add some nice salt. I'm gonna sprinkle some onto my hand. That's a little much, and you don't need that much. You're gonna take a pinch, like a couple pinches, and do that, and then you're gonna rinse it sick and just rinse it off. Then you're gonna grab some pepper. I have cracked pepper since regular pepper gets a little messy for me. So I'm gonna do that. And voila, you have a nice batch of scrambled eggs.